Okay. Today we are going to do the first part of adding and subtracting radicals. Do you remember what the rule is? Can we add and subtract radicals?
Yeah.
Only if what's the same?
The thingy.
The index has to be the same and what's under the radicand? So the 6, the radicand has to be the same. So, number 10. Can I simplify this? Is it possible? Yes. These are both square root and they're both 6s. So what is the coefficient in front of that? It's a 1. So can you tell me what 5 root 6 plus 1 root 6 is? Anyone?
6 root 6.
I heard it. What is it?
6 root 6.
So you added these, 6 root 6. Good job. Number 11. Can these be added?
Yes.
What do you combine?
6 and 2.
And you get what?
4.
Good job. And how about this one, 12? Can you add these up?
Oh, no, you can't.
So the answer is not no solution, it's just already simplified. So that's the answer. It's not that it's no solution, that's the answer. Okay, how about 13?
2 square root of x.
2 square root of x, part of it's right. What is it?
-2.
Yes, negative 2.
I'm
3 minus 5 is negative 2, yes. And number 14, can you add these up? No, because why?
This was an x and 1.
Because they're different radicands. And number 15,
Yes.
what is that?
5
5 what?
cube root of x to the 4th. Oh, square root.
Yep.
Oh, because they can 2, yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna simplify. Now, when they look like they're a hot mess here, you gotta simplify each one of these. And this is a big problem to do. So for these ones, before you tell me, can't add them, what should you first try to do? What should you do with root 18? Break it down into what? 18 is what? 2 times 9, and 9 is 3 times 3. So it's a square root, so what comes out? This 3. What do you do with that 3? I had quite a few people ask me in class today.
Take it out.
Multiply it by the
Do you add them? Is it 9? Or is it 18 root 2?
18.
Good. Good answer.
Wouldn't it be 18 root 3? Oh, never mind, I'm sorry. Oh my
Nope, the
God.
3 comes out, and you're left with a 2 underneath. Okay, what about this 3 root 50? How can you break 50 up? 5 times 5 times 2. So we're going to pull the 5 out, and what do you do with that 5 and the 3?
15.
Multiply them. Oops. You multiply 3 times 5, because you have a pair of 5s. So now, can you tell me, can I add anything here?
18 and
18 and
15.
15.
There's what?
30
30-something?
30 something.
32.
Should I write 30 something?
30
Oh
something.
my God, Jesus.
That'll work.
Does that work for you?
No.
33
That's 10, 20.
square root 2. That's the correct answer.
That was right.
Number 18. What happens with 20?
5 times 4.
5 times 4, and 4 is 2 times 2. So what comes out?
The 2.
What do I do with this 2 and the 14?
That did 5 times 14?
Nope, 2 times
Oh, 2
14.
times 14, yeah, it's 28.
Okay, now how about this root 125?
Ooh.
That's 3 5s. So we've got a couple of 5s that come out, but it only comes out as 1 5. So it's 3 times 5, which is 15.
Square root of 5.
Okay, can I combine 28 and 15?
Yeah.
What is it?
Times something.
13.
Uh-huh,
Something.
13 something. It's 13 root 5.
This one's gonna be easy.
Yay.
And the last one. How do you break 18 up?
2 times 2 times
9 and 2, and break
Mhm.
down the 9 to 3 and 3, and then,
What is 32?
16 and 2?
6 times 8, 8, right? 6 times 8. No, not 6 times 8. 6 times 4.
Uh-oh.
Okay?
2.
No. It's 8 times 4. What's wrong with me? 8 times 4. What's wrong with me? 8 times 4 is 32. So it's 5 2s is 32. So we're gonna pull 2 2s out and leave a 2 underneath.
2.
So what's my final answer?
Really, Brendan?
Yeah. 7
What is it? 7 root 2.
We were all like, we all looked at each other like, what?
That's gonna be in the video.
Okay, next one.
Oh, God.
Keep going. You're gonna get good at multiplying. How do you break 54 up?
9 and 6,
9 and 6,
9 and
okay?
6, and then 3 and 3, and then 3 and 2.
Really, Jenna?
Yeah, really,
Jenna.
busting it up. Right.
Okay, so Jenna, what comes out?
Come on. 3 3s, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you do 3, right? 3
Mhm.
times 2?
Cube root of 2.
Oh,
That's what that
my
is.
bad.
Plus, plus, plus.
And then
What's 16?
4 and 4, then 2 and 2,
So what comes out?
4.
3 2s,
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait.
and then-
Oh, I thought, never mind.
2s, cube root of 2.
Mm-hmm.
I mean,
Okay, so what's your final answer?
6.
6.
Oh, wait, no, that's adding, my bad. 5.
multiplying, okay.
5.
Cube.
Cube root of
2.
You got it.
multiplying. Do this in my sleep.
I'm actually
Hey,
understanding
Jenna, wanna
this.
come up here and teach us one?
No.
Yeah, do it.
No,
Do
seriously,
it.
no,
Just
no, no,
do
no,
it.
no.
If the thingy wasn't on, would you do it?
Oh, yeah. 9 and 9.
9 and 9.
Oh.
I think he wants to.
No, I don't want to do it. Isn't it 3 times 3 times 3 times 3?
Yeah. So we're gonna take 3 3s out. This 3 times this 3 is 9. Okay, so far this simplifies to be this.
9 and 6.
Okay, then. 9 and 6, Jenna.
Then you take that out.
3 and 3,
Take the 3 3s
3 and
out.
2, and what do you get?
6. Cube root of 2. 3.
Mhm.
Nope, 2.
Whoops. What's my
then-
final answer?
3
14.
cube
Wait.
root.
Oh, it's
7,
negative.
6, 5,
Yeah,
4.
so 3 cube root of,
Can't do it.
what do you do with
Uh-oh,
those?
I heard,
You got add 1 to the root
why can't you do this?
because they don't have the same root.
The indexes are the same, so what's your final answer?
9.
So this one, we did do some simplification, but we can't combine the coefficients because their radicands are different. And the last one in this group, 32 is 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32.
Wow.
So how many sets,
You can take 1.
one set of 2's out?
So
Cube.
Two,
Two
root
is-
total.
Two.
There's a 2 left over.
48 is,
Okay, how about this 48?
24 and
Who
2.
knows?
I heard 24 and 2.
And bring 24 down to 12
2 and 12.
2, and then 6 and 2 is
2 and 6, and 2 and 3.
3 and
So
2.
I see 4 2s, right there,
And a 3.
and a 3. So what's my, how does this simplify?
2.
Two to the fourth root, it's
2,
three.
4, root 3.
So can
And
I
that's
add
your
these?
answer.
And that's your answer. Why can't I add them?
Because the radical.
Yeah, why isn't it
Because
4th root of 5?
What?
Wait, what'd you say?
So
The index.
I can't write 4th root of 5?
No.
Why? I'm adding.
Because
You can't
they're
add
the
those.
same. They're not the
But-
same.
They're not the same. Good job. Okay, 6 more and we're done. What are we asking you to do in this problem?
Multiply.
Multiply. So what are you gonna do?
Where are we?
3 times 3 plus
3
times 1.
times 1, what's 3 times 1?
3 times
3 times root 5,
Minus 80.
1 times root 5, you're foiling. And root 5 times root 5.
See, I don't like these ones.
No?
Not my favorite.
No, there's too many
No, it's-
roots and.
Yeah.
Okay, let's simplify. What's
Three.
3 times 1?
3.
Can you do anything with these two?
No.
No.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, yeah, you
Oh,
can
I
add the
don't know.
roots,
You can add the
the things,
So it's
What's
4
these
root
things called?
5.
the things.
coefficient.
Yeah.
That sounds so stupid in the video.
Okay, what's root
Plus
5
root 5.
times root 5?
Oh, root
5, I heard. And now, is there anything else we can do?
Nope. Yeah, add those.
What do you get?
8.
What is root?
no, it's 7 plus 4 root 5.
7.
What?
Oh my god, I forgot about 5.
8 and 3 is 5. 8 and 3. 3 and 5 is 8.
Yeah, I thought we were doing the 3 and 4. Yeah.
Next one, 24. What do you do next? Or first, I should say. 2 times,
2 times 1 is 2.
can I just write 2?
Yes. And then,
Now, see if we could start doing these in our head. What's 2
oh,
times 3 root 7?
Let's
Let's see
6
some
root
work.
7.
5 root 7.
Not 5,
6.
2 times 3 root 7
Oh,
is?
6. I was adding.
6 root 7. What is 1 times root 7?
root 7.
1 root 7.
Do you really need that 1 there?
No, you don't need that 1.
Okay.
And now see this last thing. What's root 7 times 3 root 7?
3 root 7.
Nope.
Oh.
What's root 7 times root 7?
Root
7.
1.
Is 7, I heard it. Root 7, you guys, times root 7 is 7. And what's 7? Now we're multiplying, we have a 3 here, so what's this number gonna be? 21. 3 times 7 is 21. Now what combines?
23.
23
2 and
plus?
7 root 7.
Mhm.
9, so
Okay, 25. What's my first 2?
15.
I heard 15.
Um,
Now what's 3 times negative 6 root 2? Everybody, what's 3 times negative 6 root 2? What's 3 times 6?
3 times 6 is
80.
wait.
18.
18.
Negative 18.
Negative
18.
2.
Root 2, you got it. What's negative 4 root 2 times 5? What are these two multiplied together?
Negative 20.
Negative 20.
Negative 20 root 2.
Yeah, you got it.
Yes.
And now, this is the big one. What do you get when you multiply these two together?
What's 4 times 6?
24.
24. Negative
24 times 2?
24 times 2, I heard it. What is 24 times 2?
48.
What kind of 48?
Oh, those are 50 times 1. Oops.
Positive. So
48.
think about it, guys. This is what you have here. You have this times this. You have negative 4 root 2 times negative 6 root 2.
This is
Well,
the problem.
These two multiply to give you 24. And what's root 2 times root 2? 2. So 48. Okay, what goes together?
15 and 48.
What do you get? 15 and 48.
50.
More than
No,
50.
60.
60.
7, 2, 3.
63.
73.
And then what's negative 18 plus negative 20?
Negative 38.
Wow.
Root 2.
Good job.
Cracking me up.
Now, what do you see different about these ones, these last three?
They're the same thing.
So what you're gonna do is square this quantity. So this is what they want you to do. Multiply two binomials. Okay? We're gonna FOIL. What's root 3 times root 3?
Root 3.
Root 3 times root 3 is?
Root 6. 9. I don't know.
What's this times this?
So sorry. 1.
What's root 3 times root 3?
3.
3.
Did you say that? Root?
I heard root 3.
Oh, she said root 3.
Root 3 times root 5 is root 15. Then another root 15. I'm just multiplying. Root 5 times root 5 is just a plain old 5. 3 and 5 is 8. And root 15 plus root 15 is 2 root 15s. Too close? Can you fix it? Can you see that at all?
Like, when you were doing it, it's like, you couldn't even see the other half of the thing you were doing.
Why didn't you
Is
tell
this
us?
Zoom?
Yeah,
I
you
just
color now.
noticed it.
Okay, how about now? Can you see it?
Go out a little more.
More?
There. Yeah, that's good.
Okay. All right, 27.
Scoot it over more.
More?
Right there.
Okay. 27.
13.
This is gonna be root 13 plus 6 times root 13 plus 6.
So it'll
So
be
we're gonna FOIL. Root 13 times root 13 is just
13.
13. Root 13 times 6 is 6 root 13. And then another one. And what's 6 times 6?
36.
Okay, what can you add together, these two?
36
So you
and
get
13.
49 plus 12 root 13. Get your answer. 49 plus 12 root 13.
Yay.
And the last one, this is the hardest one. I'm gonna write 2 root 5. I'm gonna write this twice. This is the hardest one. Okay, we're gonna FOIL. What is 2 root 5 times 2 root 5? Let's see who can give me what 2 root 5 times 2 root 5 is.
5.
2 root 5.
Hi.
I believe the answer
What
is 20.
kind?
2 root 5 times 2 root 5. What is it?
20.
4, 7,
20 I heard? Is he right?
Yeah.
He's right.
Yeah.
2 times 2 is 4 times a 5 is 20. Good job. 20.
Thank you.
So now what's 2 root 5 times 3 root 2? 2 root 5 times 3 root 2 is what?
It's that.
What's that?
That's 6.
6. And then
Root
Root
10.
10.
10.
Oh, I didn't know you could do that.
And guess what? Because these are identical, what do you think that's going to be? It's going to be another 6 root 10. And what is 3 root 2 times 3 root 2. See if you can do this one. 3 root 2 times 3 root 2.
9 root 4.
9 root 4 is partially right. 9,
Oh, 9 times 4, my bad. 6.
9 times, I'll give you a hint. 9 times
2.
2, which is 18. So simplify this. 20 and 18 is 38, and 12 root 10. And that's your homework. Thank you.